Bonjour à tous. Now it's lesson 2, day 2 of the series. If you remember, if you are well aware, in this series we are working on the TEF examination, Tâche 2, task 2 of Production Orale of your Viva, where you have to convince a friend. Okay, so in this particular series, we are working on some very common problem statement which can be stated by the examiner during your conversation during your exam, and we are seeing how well beautifully we can solve those problem statements while giving the counter arguments. So are you ready? Let's check what is the problem statement of today and how well we can solve that argument in our exam. Well, guys, here we have the problem statement. For example, for that particular service or for that particular publicity, the examiner said, c'est cher, je n'ai pas le budget. Or the different alternatives can be, c'est trop cher pour moi, je n'ai pas le budget. Je n'ai pas assez d'argent en ce moment. Je voudrais bien, mais ça dépasse mon budget. Or, je ne peux pas me le permettre pour l'instant. The meaning, all the meanings are quite same. The emotion is well same, that I do not have money at the moment and I do not have that budget because that is very expensive. Okay, now what structure to follow? Let's check in the next slide. Well, if you notice, I always try to follow a structure to give counter argument. About that, I have talked in the previous lesson, in the first lesson to day 1, right, of this series. So if you follow that step, or if you follow that structure, your answer, it looks organized and very clear. So here we have the steps to follow. Like first we have to acknowledge, right? Then you can give the solution. Then the analogy, like kind of similar examples or the similar sentences. For example, I also did this. My friend also lived the same experience. Okay, so that kind of similar examples, you can create them from the real life examples too. Then advantages, okay, and the last is call to action, just to finish the answer. Now let's check what can be the answer for this statement which we have done in the previous slide. Well, let's check out the answer for this particular question, for this problem statement. You can well start like, oui, je comprends, c'est vrai que c'est cher. Je comprends totalement tes inquiétudes financières. Cependant, je vais demander une réduction si possible. De plus, on va payer en plusieurs versements aussi. Comme ça sera plus facile pour toi. Mon ami, pense à tout l'argent que tu dépenses sur les petites choses, comme les cafés, les restaurants, les achats en ligne. Cette activité peut-être coûte le même prix. La qualité a toujours un prix. C'est un investissement pour ta santé, pour ton bonheur, et ça fait longtemps que tu n'es pas sorti. Tu ne gaspilles pas ton argent, tu investis pour ton bien-être, tu travailles dur, mon ami, tu mérites de te faire plaisir de temps en temps, non? Donc, il est essentiel que tu regardes ça comme un investissement, pas une dépense inutile. Voilà, like here you can see I try to give the structure. I try to manage my answer in that particular structure while using first the to acknowledge, then I give the solution, then analogy, okay, and at the end I ended with the CTA, and before that I mentioned the advantages as well. So this is a structure where you can again follow for that particular statement which is stated by the examiner, and then you can easily solve, then easily you can conversate with the examiner who is who's playing the role of your friend during the examination. Okay, guys, I hope you well enjoyed the session and that is beneficial for you too, especially who are preparing for the TEF examinations. And well, you can also write in the comment box if you have any other solution for this particular statement. And if you have any other problem statement and you are facing the problem, like how we can counterpart for that particular statement, that also you can mention in the comment box. Of course, gonna give you the solution for that. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée. Bisous, bisous.